Hello and welcome to our My Advantage 365 video training series.
Today we're going to discuss the Customer Trial Balance Report. This report shows a detailed balance for selected customers. You can use this report to verify that the balance for a customer posting group is equal to the balance on the corresponding GL account on a certain date. The report can, for example, be used at the close of an accounting period or a fiscal year. Let's look at this report so we can see the information that displays on it. From the department's navigation pane, in our sales and marketing, we're going to go down to reports and analysis. And under our customer section, look for the customer trial balance report. We can filter this report by customer number or customer posting group. We even have a date filter to run this report by. We're going to leave the customer filters blank so we can see all customers. I am, however, going to enter in a date filter. So let's say we want to look at the report for our current month. I'm going to enter in 11/01 through 11/30 as our date range. Then I'll preview the report on screen. This will show us on our screen all the customers' trial balances. First, we see our customer number. That is also broken down by customer posting group, which is 01 trade here at the top. After that, we will see the customer's name and the beginning balance for our period that we filtered on, for the beginning of our period that we filtered the report by. We'll see the net change during the period is in debits and credits. Then the report will break down by the fiscal year to date. So the beginning balance as of January 1st, the net change will be to the end of the period of 11/30 in debits and credits as well. Finally, we have our ending balance is as of 11/30 for each of our customers. If I scroll to our last page, if I scroll down the bottom, we can see the total for our customer posting group of 01 trade. We will also see that there are other customer posting groups such as Interco and Interna. These also have totals at the bottom of each section. At the very end, we have a grand total for all of our customer posting groups. Here we will see the grand total for the beginning of the period and the end of our period that we had specified as our filters. This concludes our video on the Customer Trial Balance Report.
This concludes our video. Be sure to watch all the videos in RMI's training series to help make your job easier and to make you a more efficient user of the Advantage 365.